Hey there, this is Marla Higgins, your Chief Inspirational Officer, and we have our Chief Creative Officer, AJ, in the house. She's our wing woman and all branding and marketing. And so we are together and we are sharing this opportunity that we've created. And one of the core features of our 6-week success boarding workshop is the power of profitability. As if you've been watching these videos, and if you haven't, go back and watch them. But we understand that, profits matter and sustainability matters. And that's the core anchor of the 6-week course, right? We don't want you to just get through the end. We want you to say, oh my gosh, like, look how much I was able to produce in such a short period of time. And then how can I compound that? How can I emulate that to build a much bigger brand? So as we talk about that, Amanda, like, what are we doing with our participants in this course around the profit and the profitability?
So one of the best things that we're doing is we're giving education, but in the very last week of each month, we're giving you a hardcore challenge, a 5-day quick results call to action, that every day you're doing a specific action, watching a specific video with a little booster shot of motivation, and you're going to see those results on day 5. And I think that in addition, you go through the news feed and you're like, oh, sign up for this free challenge and this free course. And all of those things are designed to sell you something. And with this challenge, we're basing it on the idea that you're already invested, you're already in, and you need to see results. And so we're basically taking all of this stuff that we're teaching you and we're putting it into a fire hose, and then we're just hitting you with it. So you're gonna get doused with inspiration, motivation, validation, and you're gonna make it happen. So it's super exciting
around the profitability and sustainability, because those are huge features. And we know, when you're watching this, you're an entrepreneur, and those are some hot buttons for you right now. You have a lot of questions about maybe scaling, maybe nurturing, maybe negotiating, how to manage all of those things. Well, that's where this expert team comes together. And we have highlighted people, and we have high-level guest speakers that come in, and you get to learn from some of the best. And so to learn more, go to successboarding.com, and that's where you can click on the link and book a call. If you have burning questions, talk to Amanda with the marketing and the branding. You get me as the executive coach around performance. And so, like, this is just such a dual force, and our participants are loving the outcomes that they're getting. And so we just want to give you just some insight into why we want you to join us and transform your business in 2020. So, all right, have an awesome rest of your day, and we'll see you again next week.
Bye.